Hi! If you are new here, then we welcome you to 5 Best List. In this channel, we feature only the best and the latest everything that has to offer. To save your time and make your purchase decision easier, in this video, we picked only the best items for you. We tested many of them before making this list. Check the description below for the product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
Number 1 in our list is Camp Chef 2-burner stove. With the Explorer 2-burner cooking system, you will be. The durable, versatile unit packs enough power in its 30,000 BTUs burners to boil water and cook your food, whether you're tailgating at the football stadium or camping with the family. Portability is no problem with the removable legs, and a 3-sided windscreen makes outdoor cooking easy. You'll be up for anything when you have the Explorer 2X with you, so add it to your collection today. Being one of Camp Chef's 14-inch cooking systems, the Explorer is very versatile and can be equipped with many different Camp Chef accessories. The cast iron grill heats evenly and holds heat well, making it easy to cook your food to perfection. Pre-seasoned with Camp Chef's True Season finish, this grill/griddle has a natural cooking surface that is ready to use out of the box. Every piece of our cast iron cookware comes pre-seasoned with our True Season finish, providing a natural, easy-release surface that is ready to cook on. This professional grill box gives you the ability to grill your favorite foods to perfection, every time. It has been designed with Camp Chef's patented heat diffuser system that minimizes hot spots and converts flames into infrared heat. This vaporizes grease drippings and infuses your food with the best, richest flavors. Pre-seasoned cast iron grilling surface holds and distributes heat evenly. Let's watch more. Number 2 in this best car camping stove list is Coleman Gas Camping Grill. The stove surface fits a 10-inch pan, and the 130 square inch grill area leaves plenty of room for grilling. All of this in one compact design that sets up easily at the campsite, tailgate, or wherever outdoor adventures take you. A rotating dial lets you control burners for precise temperature control. Pressure control technology keeps the heat steady for consistent performance, even in cold weather, high altitudes, or when fuel is low. Side panels shield burners from wind, can be adjusted to fit larger pans, and fold down for use as side tables on calmer days. It facilitates a more complete fuel combustion process, delivering more effective cooking heat to your food with less fuel. A grease tray collects the grease drippings from cooking and is removable for mess-proof disposal. It securely latches lid closed for safe and easy transport. Our third pick is Coleman Gas Camping Stove. Coleman stoves for simple, reliable performance and get under budget. It's clear the Classic is the cheaper option compared to the more expensive Coleman Triton. Pressure control technology keeps the heat steady for consistent performance, even in cold weather, high altitudes, or when fuel is low. It facilitates a more complete fuel combustion process, delivering more effective cooking heat to your food with less fuel. Side panels shield burners from wind, can be adjusted to fit larger pans, and fold down for use as side tables on calmer days. A rotating dial lets you control burners for precise temperature control. The Classic was built to suit the average camper's needs, so instead of being super powerful, it balances moderate heat output with smart fuel efficiency. In our experience, the burners are plenty adequate unless you're cooking for a large group or contending with harsh conditions. Fourth pick in our best car camping stove list is Camp Chef Everest 2-burner stove. Camping Chef's Everest is among the most well-known and tested models in the world of camping stoves. It provides an unbeatable combination of cooking power, ease of use and superior performance. In terms of power, you'll get 2 big burners that can produce plenty of heat, 20,000 BTUs each. They also come with great simmer control to cook elaborate and varied meals. In addition, you get functional features such as an easy-to-use carry handle, the lid that locks as well as side shields that keep wind out, a stainless steel cooking grate coated with nickel, and a hefty 12-pound weight for an impressively spacious and efficient design. The Everest 2X provides slight gains in the resistance to wind and durability, as well as an updated look and feel. With the same features in terms of output and overall performance, the majority of campers will not find these minor distinctions worth the cost increase. They both Everest stoves are larger and heavier than some of their competitors, especially when compared to sleek models similar to Covia's slim twin below, although they're nevertheless quite compact and easy to transport. Last in this list is Jetboil Camping Stove. The Jetboil Genesis Basecamp system showcases some of the coolest new technology available for outdoor cooking. The stove folds up into a rugged metal pod that nests inside a pot for compact storage. The pot and stove, along with a frying pan, lid, windscreen, and regulator fit into a travel bag no bigger than a bowling ball. Needless to say, the Genesis Basecamp system is one of the most portable and space-saving stoves on the market. The heat retention coils on the base of the pot made this system incredibly fast and efficient for cooking and boiling water. We also love that you can customize the number of burners using the JetLink port. The Genesis Basecamp system is a versatile, top-quality cooking system with an emphasis on streamlined portability and maximum fuel efficiency. For details, let's watch more.
Camp system. Now this thing is the world's first base camp cook system that will totally change the way you cook in the backcountry. So the Genesis Basecamp system is basically a super fast and efficient 2-burner cook stove that comes with a 5-liter pot and a 10-inch frying pan. It all nests together in a compact package and weighs just 9 pounds. So first let's talk about the Genesis stove itself. Now it's incredibly powerful with two 10,000 BTU burners, and it'll boil a liter of water in just over 3 minutes. But it's also incredibly efficient. In fact, one of these 1-pound propane bottles will let you boil 48 liters of water. Now on top of that, it has Jetboil's unbeatable simmer control thanks to their patented regulator valve technology. So you can cook perfectly golden brown French toast for breakfast in the morning and then rapidly boil water for fettuccine at night, all on the same stove. Now, each burner has a super reliable lever igniter for easy lighting, and the whole stove folds together for really easy storage. It's also JetLink compatible. So JetLink basically allows you to connect the Genesis to other stoves and accessories without the need for extra regulators and fuel sources. The Genesis Basecamp system comes with a 5-liter flux pot and a 10-inch frying pan for eco-friendly non-stick cooking. And then the whole system fits right in this great carry bag, which has a separate padded compartment for the fuel regulator and padded walls so nothing gets beat up. So with the Genesis Basecamp system, you're really getting the ultimate camp kitchen in a bag. And thanks to JetLink, you can expand that kitchen depending upon how many people you've got in your group.